She did?
She went up. No, you can have this. And then don't that's kind of
What do you have, buddy? What'd you get?
Mother's
What'd you just call me?
mother.
What?
I can't do this mother now.
Can you walk? Walk! 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 Oh my God! Did you see that?
Daddy Hayden is walking.
I just happened to get it on video. Hazel!
He didn't want it.
Hazel! Let's walk again.
See.
Hold on. Hold on.
And
Walk!
Wanna take a step?
you don't.
Walk!
Let her do her thing.
Walk! Walk! Walk!
Hazel. Let her do her thing, Marcus.
Marcus,
Stand
back up. Come over here by me.
Come on, babies. Take a couple steps. Take a couple steps over here. You can do it. You wobbly? Yeah.
Woo!
You took steps. Look at you. Want to do it again? Come on, babies. Oh, you are close. You're so close. You're so close. Try again. Stand up. Take a couple steps. Take a couple steps.
Did the step.
Marcus, that does not help. There you go. Yay. Woo.
Woo!
You are going to